How to get Spotify Premium. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can get Spotify Premium, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to get Spotify Premium, it's actually very simple. I always recommend while you're using any card information to use the browser and not the app. So open your browser and go to spotify.com, whether you're on Android or whether you're on iPhone, and make sure that you sign into your Spotify account. Once you sign into your Spotify account, tap the gear icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the gear icon, you'll find this option. Just make sure to tap on the premium option, and when you tap the premium option, it will take you to this page where you can simply select a plan and then just tap the get started option. Once you've done that, you'll be able to simply fill out your payment details, and once you fill in the payment details such as PayPal or maybe credit or debit card, you would have successfully gotten Spotify Premium. This way you can get Spotify Premium. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.